class. So our lesson for today is radical equations. Um, the objectives for this lesson are define radical equation correctly, solve radical equations, participate actively in the given group activities. Okay, so a radical equation is an equation in which the variable appears in a radicand. First example, we have square root of x equals 8. So the first step is square both sides of the equation. Why? The index of square root is 2. To get rid of the square root symbol, we have to square both sides of the equation. So square root of x square is x and 8 square is 64. Second example, solve for x in the cube root of x plus 3 equals 3. So the first step, raise both sides to the third power. Why? In order to get rid of the radical symbol. So the cube root of x plus 3 raised to the third power is x plus 3. And 3 raised to the third power is 27. And transpose 3 to the right side of the equation. Or transpose the constant 3 to the right side of the equation. So we have now x equals 27 minus 3. And that is equal to 24. Okay? Third example, we have the given equation, negative 3 times the square root of x plus 2 equals x minus 16. So in this case, we will square both sides of the equation. So we have negative 3 square is 9, and then the square root of x plus 2 is x plus 2. And the square of x minus 16, so squaring a binomial, we have to square the first term, so that is x squared. And then twice the product of the first and the second. So x times 16 is 16x times 2, we have 32x. Since this is negative, so this is also negative 32x. And then 16 square is 256. So x squared minus 32x plus 256 is the square of x minus 16. And then for 9 times x plus 2, we will distribute 9 inside the parentheses. So 9 times x is 9x, 9 times 2 is 18. So 9x plus 18. And then we have to combine similar terms. So we will transpose 9x to the right side, so it becomes negative 9x. So we will add it to negative 32x. So negative 32x plus negative 9x is negative 41x. And then 256, transposing positive 18. So 256 minus 18 is 238. So we have now x squared minus 41x plus 238. So don't be confused why I place them on the left side of the equation. So since 9x is transposed to the right and positive 18 is transposed to the right, then we can also make it as instead of writing 0 equals x squared minus 32 minus 41x plus 238, then it is more appropriate to write it as x squared minus 41x plus 238 equals 0. So, we are not yet done with our answer since uh, it's already a quadratic equation. We will still solve for the variable x using the quadratic formula. So we have x equals negative b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. The value of b is negative 41, so we have negative times negative 41 plus the square root of negative 41 square minus 4 times the value of a is 1 and the value of c is 238 all over 2a, which is 2 times 1. So negative times negative 41 is positive 41 plus uh, the square of negative 41 minus the product of 4, 1, and 238 is equal to 729 all over 2. So we have 41 plus or minus 27. 27, the square root of 729 all over 2. So 41 plus 27 is 68. 68 over 2 equals 34. And the other one is 41 minus 27 is 14. 14 divided by 2 is 7. So we have two roots or two values for x. The first one is 34 and the second one is 7. And then for your activity, I will ask the answer for these three exercises in our online class. So, the first one is the square root of x minus 2 equals 10. And then number 2, 3 times the cube root of x plus 1 equals 2. And number 3, the cube root of 2x plus 1 equals the cube root of x plus 8. Okay? So, that's all. Okay, thank you for listening. See you virtually in our online class.